For services that need to deal with high or variable request rates, choosing a configuration that involves multiple processes configured on potentially multiple nodes becomes necessary. This is because the multiprocess configurations are the easiest way to deal with scale, to deal with increases in the incoming request rates. What we'll do in such cases is we'll scale out the service deployment by launching the same service on multiple machines, and so these are referred to as scale-out architectures. A typical architecture could then be organized as follows. A front-end dispatching or load balancing component would route the incoming requests to the appropriate or available machine that implements the internet service. This is in some sense similar to the boss worker pattern that we discussed when we talked about structuring multi-threaded parallel programs. One possibility afterwards is that every single one of the nodes is capable for executing any possible step that's required for the processing of the requests, and that they can handle any possible request that may come in from the external users. The other possibility is that the nodes can be specialized to execute only some specific step or some specific steps in the request processing, or they can be specialized only for certain types of requests. This is again analogous to what we talked about when discussing the boss worker pattern, that the workers may be general purpose, so they may perform any processing, or they may be specialized for certain tasks. We can further classify these architectures as those having a property of being functionally homogeneous, like when all of the workers are capable of performing any processing step, or as functionally heterogeneous, like in the case where certain nodes are specialized in certain functions.